how to delete a personalized sound profile in Adapt Sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, we then scroll down and tap on sound quality and effects. Then we scroll down and tap on adapt sound. After that, to delete a sound profile, you go to the top here and tap on the delete button. Then go down and select your sound profile that you would like to delete. And then tap on the delete button again at the top. And that will remove your personalized sound profile. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.